If you haven't already, make sure to stop by and check out the first part of our Navigating WordPress video. This will help get you all caught up on what we've already covered, and then you can go from there. Go on to media. We'll leave the page because don't need that. So then you can go ahead and see what you've uploaded and kind of go from there. You can do audio, images, filter through that way. And then pages. So this is what's going to be in your navigation bar on your home page or wherever you need to put pages. So you can just add new, say what it's about, and then you can put your individual content in that. I don't have a whole lot on this site yet, so I don't have a whole lot to show you on that area. Comments, obviously it's when people are commenting on your site. You can just approve it, reply, and go from there. So Genesis is the theme that I bought along with Dynamic. So we won't worry about that right now. That's for another time. Mojo is through my hosting site, which you have to have hosting for wordpress.org. So then appearance, let's go to that. We'll do themes. And here are all the themes that you can do. These ones are free. These ones I paid like a one-time payment for, and I've been able to use them on both of my sites, so that's been beneficial. You can customize things right here. So site title, you can put that there, what your tagline is, what you want, where your navigation is going to be, if you want your latest post to show up, or if you want the exact same page for every time anyone comes to your site, all that kind of stuff. So that's kind of just in the customize section. So then widgets. This is one of the things that I love the most about WordPress. This makes my life easier, these and plugins, just because then I don't have to know code, which I don't. So you can add different things. Most of mine I've just got text, and it's just HTML stuff that I've brought in from other places. But here's a Google Plus box. There's a bunch of different things that you can download. You can do your recent posts, a search bar, text, all that kind of thing. Now menus is where you can set up your different pages. So this is what it's going to do on your home page, and on the nav bar. So right here I can take this and I can bring it in, and that'll now do a drop down from the home page if I wanted it to do that. And you can go even further. So I can go there and then do another sub item if that's what you need to do. Okay, so then plugins. I'm going to leave the page. I don't have a whole lot on this yet, but plugins are awesome. You can find them for just about anything you need. Just remember that you don't want a ton of plugins because it will slow down your site. So try and, it'll take some time, but figure out which ones you like the most and go from there. So that you're just going to do add new, and then you can search for different ones. And I'll do another tutorial about plugins that I like and the ones that have helped me a lot. Users, you can do if you need anyone to do your work on your site and you don't want to give them your password, or if you have contributors and stuff like that, you can just create new users and let them on there. Tools, you can just like it says here, you can put this to grab bits of the web. I haven't ever used it, so. And then settings. So you can just decide here, you can decide how you want your date to be, how you want the time to be, all this kind of stuff. For writing, I don't change much here, so you can just see what you like or whatnot. The reading part of it, I like to do your latest posts, and I showed at least 10 posts at a time. Remember to save changes every time you make a change on any of this. I don't think I've ever changed anything on here. It's just, I just kind of leave it how it was when I first got it. Permalinks. What's easiest for me is the month and name, just because then I know when it was posted, and then I know I have my title in there. You can do it however you want. This just gets kind of hard because it's just a bunch of numbers, and so it's hard to distinguish what it is without actually knowing for sure what it is. And then the rest of these are all plugins that we'll talk about another time. So if you have any questions, just make sure to leave a comment or send us an email, and we'll go ahead and get that taken care of for you. We hope this helped you a little bit, and have a great Friday.